life is good. You know what I mean? Like,
100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, an automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the ring, called it the truck, little bitch.
Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to a Sandstorm video. This is Sandstorm Saturday episode 4. Today 6 of us are going to be playing Among Us. It should be more, but right now it's not really a good time to get everyone on. No long intros, let's just get straight into the video. How's everyone doing?
Litty.
Everyone here is about to get ended.
Oh,
Wait, really?
Yeah.
We'll see about that. We'll see about that.
My camera
Let's go.
is fucking
Everyone's
out.
filming, yo. Alright, everyone
Okay,
mute.
everybody go on mute.
1.
The imposter, let's go.
That is gonna look suspicious. I'm so suspicious, man. That's so sus.
Where's the office? Where's the office? Office.
I know.
Oh my god. Wait, who's white?
That's the most sus thing I've ever heard. Bam. Your boy's doing bits, you know. What if I can't do that again? What? What? Oh! No! It's Iberia. He was leaving the room with the tree in it. So
Wait.
Let me talk. He was leaving the room. Yeah, I saw him leave and he ran back just as I was coming out the door, and then I saw Paige's dead body, and then he reported it because he ran straight back to the body. If it
Are you
wasn't
pretty
him,
sure it wasn't you?
No, I
Grey
swear.
was
No, I can prove it. I swear. You know that I came out that tube where you have to flick the levers to get out, that long tube. I came out. He was right at the door, and Paige's dead body was there.
We all know the actor's line, obviously.
No,
So let's
I
skip
swear.
vote.
No, I actually swear. No, I swear.
Are you gonna
honestly.
break your monitor? You
No,
swear.
I actually, please.
I'm for right.
Thank you for listening. Actually, thank you.
Guys, are you here? No! Fuera aquí! Get out of my way!
I found the body above electrical.
I was waiting.
I was let me speak.
I was waiting on the emergency.
I was just about to go fix the lights, right? And then I was about to go into electrical, and I see 3 Tabs body right in front of electrical.
Okay, so that's I have something to say here. Whoever's imposter knew we were gonna spam report because that shouldn't have been a tie. Someone should have got ejected there. So they made a crisis so none of them could do it. And then I guess 3 Tap went to fix the lights. The imposter didn't want that, so he killed 3 Tap. I still think it. I think it's Tron. I think it's OP purely because I was waiting to spam press the emergency button and then a dead body was reported. So I don't know.
I don't know who it is.
I'm voting Hyperia.
If we vote someone out now, you never vote on 4. It's the dumbest thing to do ever. Don't.
I mean,
I literally can't. So
You know.
all I have to say is that it's a bit late for that, mate. Have we lost?
No. He said.
You haven't lost.
He said I'm filming.
Yeah, let me see.
It's good. Oh. Yep. It was OP. It was OP. It was OP.
I told you.
It was OP.
I actually told you.
It was a lose. It was lose.
I told
What were
you.
you trying to do?
What was the point in that?
What was the point in even trying?
I told you. Why didn't you believe me?
Because no one believes what you say nowadays.
Well, now will you?
Oh my god. I'm not even kidding. I ran to go and get the emergency meeting because I knew it was.
I'm literally the best player in the game.
Tron, me and us three were together. He was at lights. If one of us had pulled the plug on the lights, then one of us would have been killed.
Bye, guys.
I have to go, right?
Oh, I'm crewmate again.
Bye.
And then there were 5. I've got to do a task in here. Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Sticks.
It's Paige.
What?
I watched him kill. I watched Sticks kill.
What?
What, me? I was
Well,
just about to
I
fucking
think-
finish my
I
long.
think it was him.
Oh, no.
think it was
Harry's. No, Harry's.
I
capping.
came in
was-
slightly behind him
listen.
from
I was,
top
I, was-
right.
I was just
I
about.
just,
to
did, I
finish.
just did med scan, and then we came down with Sticks, and then he was slightly in front of me, and then we went in, and then Ignoxix is dead. By the, you know the bit where you do
I
all
don't even know
power
where. I
side
haven't
dots?
never. I haven't even seen Agnoxic. Oh,
I
only at
think
the
it was
bar.
you.
In the specimen room.
What is that?
The fucking room, bottom right. The room.
I was
I was in there with Paige, then I went to where
Listen,
Sticks
listen,
was, and
I-
then
I
I came
was
down
just-
with him, and he went first, and then he killed Ignoxix.
No,
I think
no.
he was in front
I
of
was
me.
first.
Unless,
First, I was in
unless
lab.
somebody else killed him
Fir-
while we were both gone, then I think it's Sticks.
Okay. Now let me talk. Okay. So I was in lab. Then I went to do the med scan. Then I ran down, and I was about to go into the specimen room, or I don't know what it's called. And then the meeting was. So I literally never killed anyone, and the only person I saw for the longest time was Harry.
Skip.
We can
Did we
skip, but
I think it was Paige the person. Unless the kill was right after she left, because I was in the admin, she left, and then I don't know, it could be her.
I can only assume that it's him. Bro, I feel so bad for you, and that's it.
Oh, is that a task? Oh yeah. Alright. What is this? Oh.
I think it's Harry. I really think it's Harry. It has to be. Because he was trying to bait me into being the imposter, but I'm not. And he's just sus, so it's probably gonna be him, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god.
Yo, Paige just did it and did a.
What am I hearing? It's blue.
Paige just did it and did a run.
It's oh my god, it's Harry.
Paige
It's
pulled the
Harry.
lights and
It's
then went
actually
to the
Harry.
switch. Paige pulled the
It's
lights,
Harry.
went to the lights, and then yeah, I'm stuck there.
Nah,
Yeah.
it's Harry. Honestly, it is Harry, I swear.
You would.
No, I ran back out because I got scared. I didn't know what to do.
No, you ran out because you killed them.
I'm so done.
Nah. You
GG
so
boys.
smart.
GG.
You're so
GG boys.
smart.
Yo.
Oh my
Yo,
god.
let's go.
Oh my, I
you
actually
guys
can't
just
believe
got
what I've just
absolutely
seen.
clapped.
I knew it was Harry. I knew it. I was like, yeah, it has to be Harry. And
I
the moment-
literally,
the mo-
Six, I don't know why you didn't accuse me.